Today, we're going to be building their ASOP-01 shelf unit. Not So Average Builder is brought to you by these great retailers. There'll be promo codes in the description below. Hey guys, Tom here, and I'm back at it for yet another Arttystation build. This is for the Arttystation Opera. Their Piccolo and their Concert, they're potentially could work with this. They just won't interconnect like the Opera Station will. And that's okay. So you say you get the Piccolo and you want to add on stuff, that is what this is here for. You're not stuck. It's pretty awesome. So there's plenty of items on Arttystation's website that you can choose from to make your workstation unique. USA Gundam Store also stocks these. I have a promo code for USA Gundam Store. It's Not So Average at checkout, gets you 10% off your order. So let's get to building this. Just like with the corner module, I'm going to build the drawers first so that they have plenty of time to dry before I start assembling this. So I recorded all of the assembly process of this, and for some reason my camera decided to glitch and not record any of it. It is the basic principle of the corner shelf module over there. Pretty straightforward and easy to build. So the drawers, exactly the same as well. Pretty much identical, just different shape and size. And these bottom ones are massive. They're massive. They hold a lot of stuff in here. Now the glue is still drying, so I'm not putting these all the way in. I literally just finished assembling this. Went to go pause it to come back, and yeah, it wouldn't unclick, and then it gave me an error code. When I went into my photos to see it, to make sure that it recorded, I found out that it did not. It's kind of a bummer. I did glue all of the drawers because, again, like on the corner module, they're going to have some weight to them, and you want to be able to pull them out without fear of them falling apart. And they went in pretty smoothly without glue, so I'd say that they'd probably fall apart without glue as well. So definitely, if anything, glue your drawers together, just to make sure things go without a hitch. Now, the only downside with this is these sections right here, they're not grooved, so you have to make sure that you line that up perfectly. On this one, I did not. Not a big deal. Still goes in and without an issue. But as far as like size goes, man, this thing's, so it's the Warhammer Chaos. It's too tall. We'll try SMS brand paint. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. So SMS paints will fit in there, and I think I found a use for this drawer then. It's going to be my SMS paint, so I have a way to get them off the shelf. Now the SMS surface primer, because it is taller, isn't going to go. So you're kind of limited on your size, but that's okay. We'll measure the width or the depth of the drawer. So that's all the way at the bottom. It's about 3 1/4 inches deep. So anything 3 1/4 inches deep is going to be fine. As far as the width goes, you're almost 5 1/4. So that is a pretty decent sized drawer. Now these smaller ones, they're short or shallow, but man, do they got some width to them. So the depth, a little over 1 1/2 inches. The width is just under 3 1/4, and the length, that's just under 5 1/2. That's a lot of room. Plus it comes with all 3 of them, which is a pretty cool thing. I was only expecting to come with 1, but if you order the shelf module, just the square one, not the corner shelf, it comes with all 3 of the drawers, plus your 2 big bottom drawers. This is going to look really good on my workstation. And I think I actually may put it here and move my paint rack up and have this more for tools. But I'm definitely going to get more of these. If anything, if you get anything from Arttystation, their shelf modules are amazing. Their paint rack is amazing. I want to get a paint shelf for the top of these so I can have it, you know, pretty tall. I'm really excited about these. They seem really solid. Really, really solid. Now, since the footage for this was completely destroyed because my phone was being ridiculous, what I can do is build the last piece to this puzzle, and that's the manual display stand. So let me get that out and I'll build it real quick because it's really simple. So it's the ASP09. It's not even a multiple page. It's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So let's get this built. And voila, we're done. Just sets down in there like that. You can move it forward or back, all the way up if you want. That's all there is to it. That is all that I have that Arttystation sent me. I will be getting more modules in eventually. But man, I was impressed with the build quality of Solo. And I was afraid that because it is a standalone module that it was just going to be really good. And their mass-produced ones that you'd have multiple of aren't going to be. But man, was I surprised. All of these are built just like the Solo. They're super solid. They're structurally sound. And I'm in love. I can't wait to fill my entire my workspace up with Artty-Station modules. I would like to have the whole Opera just on my desk and be able to reach and grab and do whatever I need to do right away. Because right now I've got this over here, I've got clear containers over here, and it's a nightmare. So now that I've got this, I'm pretty sure that I can finally get organized. But that's all I got, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.